All right, layer number 3 is in. You can tell by my shadow it's getting later. But we're down to the last layer, the angled piece. And we're leaving some airspace, but that's okay. It's gonna be okay. You can see the slant. So I did plane some off the other day. I don't know if I have enough, but we're gonna get some measurements and start putting it in. I may have to rip it narrower, I'm not sure. But that's okay if I do. I have a table saw downstairs, not a great one, but good enough to do this. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, by the way, we did get like 3 different rains, and just putting this over top protected this. It did not get wet. It didn't get any water underneath. So, and it held. It was only fastened on the outside edge, and then a couple screws down in here and a couple down there, and it held. So I was concerned about that if high winds, but we were okay. Oh, and here's the one chimney. We got the fire going downstairs real good. I don't see any smoke coming out, so that's a real good sign. It's burning well. Okay, let's get to work. The last layer.